Okay, this is Rua dos Ervanários, and this is after the typhoon, so actually it's still category 8 to be honest. It's still raining, and we got some people out and about. It's like they're picking up like used goods. All that garbage is over there. That must be from the night. They wouldn't still be there after the typhoon. It looks like it's piled up this morning. So I think people are coming and just kind of picking up all their debris. And anyways, we're going to be checking it out down that way. We're going to walk directly down this kind of tourist street, and it looks like it's all closed, but we can see some windows with some tape, and that's your YouTuber right there. Let's do it. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Rua dos Ervanários. So we're actually gonna see what this street looks like after the typhoon. The reason I chose this particular street is because I know one of the owners of the food truck. He is the owner, not one of the, but he had storm surge in 2017, and it went up to 2018. One of those two that went up. I'll show you the line. And so this is. I heard there's a storm surge in Macau as well. Of course, it's still a storm surge warning right now, but. And then after that big one, what they did was the government gave these kind of things to all the businesses. So these ones you can see, you can put these things and block the water from coming in. So pretty much all of them will have that. And we're going to be looking for that as well. Well, I guess not all of them apply it. Looks like this place is already open. This coffee shop right here, the Morris Club. They're closed, but I guess they didn't really have the precautionary measures, so I guess they felt good about it. But the one I'm most familiar with is the food truck. But yeah, this one right here, this is what they'll usually do, is they'll put these walls up here like this. And I think if you can see this mark up here, the top of that, that's about where it was when the eye of the storm came over. And it's like a new restaurant here. It's funny, they got the Portuguese tile. So yeah, the storm surge is nowhere near that here. And I remember the other one too, everybody was pushing water out of their stores well into the morning. So yeah, let me see. So it looks like, so you got the taped windows, and then you have these as well. And then this one is the Coca-Cola Museum, so they got theirs up quite high. And then here's food truck Pedro. It's got a new logo to there too, it looks good. So he has his up to a certain degree as well, and he has it on both sides. So yeah, that other time I think it went up to like, he showed me the mark, I remember last time, and it was about this high of water. So then when the storm surge came down, they had to push it all out of the stores, and his would have been pretty normal for you know, all of these streets. It would just had like you know, basically like a riverboats going through here almost, something like that. So yeah, today is September 2nd, and I think because I don't have anything that's pressing out, I won't put it up right away. I won't upload it immediately. I'll just do it Rua dos Ervanários, and we'll just kind of talk about it. But it's still category 8 right now, so these places are still closed. And I just came out at 10 in the morning, and last night the typhoon was category 10 at about 1 a.m. about 9 hours ago, and then it slowly went back down. And the storm surge warnings are still out there, but those are for lower lying areas. I wouldn't be surprised if this particular person lives in here. Here's some Chinese music. So anyways, this is Ervanários, and this is what it looks like after the typhoon. Yeah, this one they usually play mahjong. I bet they were here last night. They got some beer and some. So that's amazing that they left that out there in the typhoon. But yeah, actually we didn't get the direct hit, which was great. It kind of by-skirted us. Yeah, these would have been here the whole night as well. All these bird cages. So they didn't get, looks like only 2 fell. They might have been down anyways. But something fell right there in the middle, of course, that case. And these things really surprised me. Like, I would have thought these things would be just all over the place, but maybe they secured it. Looks like they did secure these together. And they just kind of tried to keep things in place so it didn't move around too much, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go back to our target street. I'm kind of surprised. But yeah, we didn't get the eye of the storm. So it skirted south of us about 20 kilometers was the eye of the storm, approximately, maybe less, 15 or 20. So anyways, this is Ervanários. I'm going to try to film some other ones. I'm going to try to get a little closer to the low landing, but I just wanted to use this one for my own reference, just to see if there was any flooding here. It looks like there wasn't any flooding. At least nothing like that anyways. If it was here earlier, it's gone, and I don't see any store owners up pushing water out or anything like that, so that's actually a really good sign. So yeah, this is Rua dos Ervanários. I'm gonna just go a little bit further. There's a lot of beautiful artwork. Amparo. There's a street right there that's haunted. That I've told is haunted, but I've never felt any haunted energies of it. Anyways, that's the haunted street is not the one I was on. The haunted one goes up here a little bit. I just saw a little alley that said Amparo. Yurum Macau. That's what that one says. So okay, so we're going to come to an ending for Ervanários, and we're going to take a look and try to get a little bit closer to the land and see if we can find any storm surge. Actually, even all these little blue things are all still here too. They weren't moved by the storm at all, so which is all good things to hear. That goes into this kind of interesting area. Goes upland, so I'm going to stay downland, so I'm going to keep on exploring. Anyways, this is Ervanários, that little alley right there. And we'll end it right here. Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.